Say goodbye to fumbling for your wallet and hello to seamless, secure payments right from your pocket. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to unlock the incredible convenience of your NatWest Mobile Card, turning your smartphone into your primary payment tool. First things first, open your NatWest Mobile Banking app. If you don't have it yet, download it from your App Store and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your card options. You're looking for something like mobile card, digital card, or a similar contactless payment setup. Tap on this option. You'll then be guided through a few simple steps to link your debit or credit card to be used for mobile payments. This usually involves confirming your card details and agreeing to terms. Depending on your phone's operating system, you'll be prompted to add your card to your preferred digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. This is a crucial step for enabling contactless payments. Now for the best part, making a payment. When you're at a contactless terminal, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment reader. You don't even need to open the app itself. Once it's set up in your digital wallet, your transactions are automatically secured using advanced encryption, meaning your card details are never shared with the merchant. It's banking at its most convenient and secure, all from your smartphone. So, go ahead, embrace the future of banking with your NatWest Mobile Card and experience payments that are fast, secure, and incredibly easy. Thanks for watching.